my name's Ed Molyneux. I'm the Global Head of Offshore Energy Services at Braemar Shipbroking.
Okay. So looking at the subsea vessel market, where do you consider the market is for dive support vessels?
Well, the fundamentals look good for the diving support vessel market. There are currently 65 vessels on the water, with over 60% of those beyond 15 years old. There's only one under construction at the moment, and the supply-demand dynamics look favourable for the DSV market going forward.
Okay. You also talked about the ROV support vessel market in your presentation, and that there are a number of new builds. Can you elaborate a little on the number of new builds?
Yeah, the new build stream of new build orders for the subsea construction vessel market stands at around 22 vessels, and they are dominated by being built in China, but there's a large number built in Europe as well. The fundamentals of that market also look favourable, and there is still scope for further building to occur, but certainly those 22 vessels can be absorbed into the current market as it stands.
Okay. Where do you see the hotspots in the subsea support vessel market currently and in the future?
Well, Western Europe has always dominated that market. Certainly Latin America will increase over the next 5 years from the demand side, and certainly the offshore wind market will, in its surge of activity and its growth, will carry an awful lot of the demand side going forward over the next 5 years.
Okay. And say in 5 years' time, do you still see the markets looking very strong and the supply side meeting demand?
Well, certainly for the next 5 years. I think beyond that it's quite difficult to predict where we'll stand, but certainly the dynamics of supply and demand balance look favourable for the next 5 years.